Welcome back to Daily English Talk, where we explore stories and conversations that make learning English fun and meaningful. It's late afternoon in Rome. The sky is heavy with clouds, the kind of gray that feels slow and sleepy. Anna and Tom are standing at a small bus stop near the park. They've been waiting for a long time.
How long has it been, Tom?
Let's see. Maybe 30 minutes?
30? No way. It feels like an hour.
Maybe time moves slower when you're waiting.
Maybe this bus just doesn't exist.
Rain begins to fall, not too strong, but steady. Anna looks up at the sky. She doesn't have an umbrella.
Oh no, here it comes!
Wait, I think I have something. Rummaging through backpack. Aha! One umbrella.
Just one?
Yep, guess we'll have to share.
Well, that's kind of romantic, actually.
I know, right? Rain and Rome, two travelers, one umbrella. Perfect movie scene.
Except the bus is still missing.
True. Every movie has to have some drama.
Around them, people check their phones, look down the road, sigh quietly. Everyone is waiting, but no bus appears.
Do you think we're at the right stop?
Yeah, I checked. It says bus number 12, Central Park. That's ours.
Maybe it's Sunday. Maybe the schedule's different.
Could be. Let's ask someone.
Sound of footsteps approaching. Polite voices in Italian nearby.
Excuse me? Hi, does bus number 12 still come here?
Oh, yes, but sometimes late. Maybe 10-15 minutes more.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Rain always slows everything down.
Thank you so much. Well, at least it is coming. Eventually.
Yep. So, what do we do while we wait?
Talk?
Talk about what?
Anything. Maybe your first trip abroad.
Oh, that's a fun one. Let's see. My first trip was to Japan. I got lost in Tokyo for 3 hours.
Really? What happened?
I got off at the wrong train station. Everything looked the same. Bright lights, signs in Japanese. I had no idea where I was.
So what did you do?
I just started walking, asked a few kind strangers. Eventually, a man at a convenience store drew me a little map.
That's so nice. See, people are good everywhere.
Exactly. That's what I learned. No matter where you are, there's always someone willing to help.
The rain becomes lighter. The world smells fresh and clean. Anna and Tom are still waiting, but their patience feels softer now.
I like the sound of rain, actually.
Yeah, it kind of slows down your thoughts.
It makes me think about time. How we're always rushing, flights, buses, meetings. And now here we are, forced to stop.
Yeah, the universe says take a break.
Exactly. Maybe the long wait is actually a gift.
You know, that sounds like a good story title.
It does. Chapter 5, The Long Wait.
They watch people passing by, a couple sharing an umbrella, a man jogging through puddles, a little dog shaking water off its fur. The city feels alive, even in the rain.
Hey, look at that little dog. So tiny, but full of energy.
Maybe he's just excited the rain stopped.
Or maybe he's teaching us something.
What?
Enjoy the small moments, even when you're wet, tired, or waiting for a bus.
That's actually beautiful, Anna.
Maybe I'm just hungry.
Okay, that's also possible.
Then they hear it, a familiar sound, the sound everyone at the stop has been waiting for.
Wait, is that it?
Yes, finally, bus number 12.
Central Park?
Yes, come in, please.
Thank you.
After an hour of waiting, this feels like winning a prize.
The Patience Award of the day.
And the prize is a dry seat on the bus.
Perfect.
The bus starts moving through the city. Anna and Tom sit together, still sharing the umbrella handle like it's a trophy.
You know, that was actually kind of nice.
Yeah, waiting can be annoying, but it gave us time to just talk.
And listen to the rain, to people, to each other.
Exactly. Not everything has to be fast.
Maybe the slow moments are the ones that teach us patience.
And gratitude.
Central Park.
That's us.
Finally, but I'll kind of miss the waiting.
You're impossible.
I mean it. Waiting made me notice things. The rain, the people, the tiny dog, even the smell of coffee from that cafe across the street.
Okay, philosopher Tom. Let's go before it starts raining again.
Yes, ma'am.
They step off the bus, walking side by side through the park's wet paths. Puddles reflect the city lights, and the air feels peaceful after the storm. They aren't rushing anymore, because sometimes the long wait teaches you more than the destination itself. You've just listened to Daily English Talk, Chapter 5, The Long Wait. In this story, Anna and Tom learned that patience isn't about doing nothing. It's about being present while you wait.